In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove grid lines in Tableau, a powerful tool used for data visualization. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user, learning how to eliminate unnecessary grid lines can help make your presentations much cleaner and more professional. Let's dive in, and you'll see just how easy this process is. First, you'll want to open the Tableau app on your computer. If you haven't already done so, ensure you have the latest version installed. This ensures compatibility with all the features we're going to discuss today. Once the app is up and running, navigate to your worksheet. This is the canvas where your data comes to life, and it's essential to keep it as clear and comprehensible as possible. Next, identify and access the specific sheet where you want to remove the grid lines. You might have multiple sheets in your workbook, so make sure you're on the correct one. Look over your sheet and determine if grid lines are necessary, or if they just add noise to your data. Once you've selected the appropriate sheet, you're going to right-click on it. This action will bring up a context menu with several options. It's from this menu that you'll be able to adjust various sheet settings, so get comfortable navigating it, as it's a powerful tool for customizing your Tableau experience. In the context menu, you need to click on Format. This will open up a panel typically located on the left side of your screen. The Format panel is your gateway to a range of visual customizations, not just concerning grid lines, but also for colors, fonts, and more. With the Format panel open, proceed to click on the Lines option. Here, you'll find all the line settings, including the grid lines we're focusing on today. You'll notice several types of lines mentioned, so be careful to select grid lines from this list. After locating the grid line settings, set them to None. This simple adjustment removes the vertical and horizontal lines that are often automatically included in your visualization. It's one click that can significantly declutter your data's appearance. Finally, for thoroughness and consistency, make sure to perform the same action for both rows and columns within this settings panel. Although you've turned off the grid lines, those adjustments apply specifically, so it's crucial to confirm both rows and columns are cleared of grid lines. So there you have it. By following these steps, you've now removed those distracting grid lines, giving your data visualization a polished and professional look. Keep practicing, and before long, you'll be a Tableau formatting master. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy Tableau tips.